Hey there everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix GTA 5 not launching and crashing on the loading screen. This will be an easy and quick tutorial, so follow me step by step. Before we do get into this video, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel with all notifications on, and if you do have any questions during the video, make sure to comment down in the comment section down below and I'll happily answer them for you. So without any further ado, let's get straight to the video. So on your GTA 5, on your Steam right over here, make sure Steam is already open. Click on Library, right click on the game, click Properties, and over here click on Installed Files. Verify this game's files are installed correctly. So basically click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. What this will do is it's going to fix any corrupted files that might be on the game that causes the crashes and not even launching. So go ahead and wait for it to finish. As you can see, it's verifying integrity of game files. And there you go. Everything has been validated. Once everything is validated, go ahead and close this out and relaunch your Grand Theft Auto 5. If that did not work and it's still crashing or not even launching, but I make sure that it should be improving as well. Even though it's crashing, it should be improved as it verified the game files. So without any further ado, let's get to the second option. So go ahead and right click on your game once more, click on Properties, on General right over here, on Launch Options. Go ahead and type this in. Basically it's -DX11. Once done, go ahead and close this out, relaunch your game, and it should be fixed. If that did not fix, what I recommend is by going on your game right over here, or again once more on your Steam, right click on your game, click Manage, browse local files, and what I'd recommend is right clicking on the executable file for Grand Theft Auto, right click on it, run as administrator, but what I'd recommend fairly is go on properties first, compatibility, run this program as administrator, make sure that is ticked on, right over here, click on apply and then OK, run the game as administrator, and it should be fixed. That's basically it for this video guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.